I got this stand, and I always wanted a place to keep these electric toothbrush, and I still don't want to keep them on the counter. So this is a great thing to put your toothbrush on there and still gets charged, so you don't have like cluttered all over your counter, and you can put some decorative space here, decorative stuff here. So it's well made. So if you can see, I just unscrewed this and put this bag, and then I put the cover back, and voila, it's there. So it's really good. You can actually put anything over there. You can put a speaker or anything, or your Alexa or anything. So it's a great addition.